Hello everyone and especially to you mom. This is Farhana Marhum. So today we will talk about the climate change. So aalamin natin kung ano nga ba yung mga dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng pagbabago ng temperatura dito sa ating mundo at kung ano nga ba yung maaaring epekto nito sa atin na mga tao. Human activities from pollution to overpopulation are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. What is climate change? Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climates. These changes have a broad range of observed effects that are synonymous with the term. Climate change is a long-term shift in weather conditions identified by the changes in temperature, precipitation, winds, and other indicators. Climate change can involve both changes in average condition and changes in variability, including, for example, extreme events. May dalawang uri ng causes of climate change, the natural causes and the human factors or human activities. The Earth climate is influenced and changed through natural causes like volcanic eruption, oceanic currents, the Earth's orbital changes, solar variations, and internal variability. Humans are increasingly influencing the climate and the Earth temperature by burning fossil fuels, cutting down rainforests, and farmers' livestock. This adds enormous amount of greenhouse gases to those naturally occurring in the atmosphere, increasing the greenhouse effect and the global warming. First is greenhouse gases. Some gases in the Earth's atmosphere act a bit like the glass in a greenhouse, trapping the sun's heat and stopping it from leaking back into space. Many of these gases occur naturally, but human activity is increasing the concentrations of some of them in the atmosphere, in particular carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. Second is the causes for rising emissions. Burning coal, oil, and gas produces carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Cutting down forests or deforestation, trees help to regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So when they are cut down, that beneficial effect is lost and the carbon stored in the trees is released into the atmosphere, adding to the greenhouse effect. Increasing livestock farming, cows and sheep produce large amounts of methane when they digest their food. Fertilizers containing nitrogen produce nitrous oxide emission. Fluorinated gases produce a very strong warming effect, up to 23,000 times greater than carbon dioxide. Thankfully, these are released in smaller quantities and are being phased down by EU regulation. Third is global warming. The gradual heating of Earth's surface, oceans, and atmosphere is caused by human activity, primarily the burning of fossil fuels that pump carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Already, global warming is having measurable effect on the planet. We can observe this happening in real time in many places. More frequent and intense drought, storms, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and warming oceans can directly harm animals, destroy the places they live, and damage the people's livelihood.